Meet the Tomahawk TG9000i, the ultimate power solution for professionals who demand top performance. Delivering 10,500 watts of reliable, clean power, it's perfect for both heavy-duty equipment and sensitive electronics. With electric start and advanced inverter technology, enjoy seamless, hassle-free operation. Compact and portable with an ergonomic handle, it's easy to move and store. Super quiet operation and eco mode maximize fuel efficiency, making it ideal for noise-regulated areas. Need more power? Connect 2 units with parallel capability. Plus, GFCI outlets, overload protection, and low oil shutdown ensure safety. Backed by a 2-year warranty and nationwide support, the TG9000i is built tough. Available now at Big Rock Supply, where we offer the best price match and free shipping. Get your Tomahawk TG9000i today.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at BigRockSupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.